Friday afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. A few videos back, I did a stash update, and one of the kits that I featured in that stash update got a lot of chatter. I mean, a lot of chatter. So I figured I would kind of do a review on it, show you guys what it's all about. I mean, I've never done a review, so being a learning experience for me, a learning experience for, well, it'll be a learning experience for me. Because I'm sure you guys know how to do reviews. Well, anyway, this is the Creekster. The big 1/24 scale. North American P-51D by Trumpeter. It is a big, big girl. Yep. So we're gonna reset this camera. See if I can't show you guys around this kit. Be right back. All right, and we're back. As I said before, this is a Trumpeter kit, and we'll start with the directions. They are pretty well laid out, as you can see, in a booklet form. Pretty well detailed. Well, we haven't even got to it yet, but it is pretty well detailed because I've already looked at it. I mean, there is no guesswork about the directions, step by step. And it takes you going through building the P-51D. I'm not going to sit here and bore you with all of it because, after all, that is boring. 31 steps. And you can have a complete 24 scale Mustang to look just like that. How about that? How's that? All right, I dropped the decals, whatever you feel like calling them for today. Here they are. Pretty nice. Now let's look at the goodies. As I mentioned before, this kit has been started by a fantastic modeler, by the way. You know who you are because you watch my videos, or you watch some of them. Here's some of the work that he has done thus far. I don't know how you could lose interest in this thing, pal. I really don't. Unless you know something that you're not telling me about this kit. Well, I kind of know what it is. He's building some badass race cars right now. I mean some badass race cars. In 1/24 scale, have you? Yeah, he's done some fantastic work. Yeah, this. And let me show you this, guys. I have had this thing together a couple of times, and it fits like a glove. Look at that. Look at that. Now I got this sitting here together. I am going to reach over here and grab the wing because I have already cut it out, at least the bottom part of it. Look at this. How badass is that? I can't even get it all in the frame. It's so big. Yeah, I'm going to lay this down on the mat here. Give you an idea. All right, everybody, that is an 18.5-inch wingspan when it's finished. That's pretty large. That is pretty large indeed. This canopy is like crystal clear. Can you see that? I'm getting a glare from somewhere. Yeah, let's check some more. Some resin pilot or some resin figures that go with it. I'm not going to bore you with those right now because I suck at painting figures. So if anybody wants to volunteer for painting these figures, let me know. I will gladly ship them to you and you can paint them. I suck at it. I'm not going to drag all of this out, guys, because I'm not going to open the wheels either, but can you see the tread? You probably can't because of the glare of the bag. But that's, they were up 2 rubber wheels, 3 rubber wheels. Pretty good, pretty well detailed in there. Pretty well. This kit's got metal springs along with it somewhere, I read. I'm not sure what these guys are, but if they have anything to do with the motor, we might be replacing it with wire, some lead wire. I don't know yet. I haven't really got too far into the directions. Anyway, this video is going on 6 minutes, and by the time I get the other part in and get it edited, it's going to be close to 10, and that's wasting too much of your time and day. So, Jared, there you are, buddy. You wanted to see a better look at that. A lot of people wanted to see a better look at it, but my buddy Jared over at Jared B Models, he has mentioned it a couple times. So, buddy, there you go. If you haven't checked out Jared yet, go over and give him a look. I'll try to remember to put a link to his channel down below somewhere, wherever it goes in the description. I also want to do another shout out for somebody real quick that is getting their channel off of the ground. It just happened to be my wife. She's into a lot of stuff, but she's put together a YouTube channel. She started communicating with some of you guys. You know who you are. I'm not going to mention you because it's a waste of time. But anyway, I'm going to put a link to her channel down below in here somewhere too. Dreams Abound. Go check her out. See what she's all about. She's always got some cool stuff going on. All right. Until next time, everybody stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching.